Hi everyone, today in this video we will knit this very beautiful border knitting stitch pattern. So this is the multiple of 5 and it is a 2-row repeat pattern. So here you can see this is the right side of the pattern and this is the wrong side of the pattern. It's so easy to make and it's look very beautiful on your sweater, cardigan, baby sweater and over the sleeves, on the sleeves like this if you knit the border like this. See, it's so friends, if you are new in this channel and if you like this pattern, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the future videos so you will get notification. So let's begin. So I have taken multiple of 5 is 15 and this is the right side and this is the wrong side. So from the right side, row 1, slip 1 and your repeat pattern will start from here. Bring the yarn in front and purl 1 like this. Yarn in back, knit 1 from the front loop and see how I am wrapping the yarn. Put your yarn over the needle and knit 1. Yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, and now see these 2 stitches. In the second stitch we will insert the needle in second stitch and we will knit 1 from the back of the loop. See, knit 1 and now knit 1 from the first stitch from front of the loop. This is like this. So see, slip 1 and your repeat pattern will start from here. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 and we cross these 2 stitches. So next repeat, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1 and put your yarn over the needle and knit. Bring the yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back and now we'll cross these 2 stitches. So insert your needle in second stitch and knit 1 stitch from back of the yarn loop. See, now first stitch like this. Let's see. Yarn in back and now you are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. So purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1 and see yarn I am wrapping over the needle and knit, purl 1, yarn in back and this is the last stitch which we will knit. So this is the first row. Second row, wrong side. Slip 1 and your repeat pattern will start from here. Yarn in back and here you can see this is the knit stitch. So we will knit as usual like this. See, I am not wrapping the yarn over the needle. This time under the needle. Yarn in front, purl 1. See, here you can see this is the purl stitch. So we will put yarn under the needle and purl. Yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front. So this time 1, 2, these are the purl stitches. So we will make purl loop from first in 1, 2, second stitch, in the second stitch purl 1 and now first loop. This. So this is the first repeat. Now second repeat, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 1 and see how I am wrapping the yarn under the needle and purl. Yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front. Now this time we will cross these 2 stitches. So first we will put our needle in second loop and make it purl and now first loop and purl. Slip these 2. Yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 1. yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, in the last stitch purl 1. So these 2 rows you have to repeat again and again. So friends, if you are new in this channel and watching my video first time, so please like the video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get notification. Thank you.